Some say the game of marbles is a lost art. We're talking about these kinds of marbles, not the small ones. It's a Cherokee pastime that's said to date back hundreds of years. But as you'll see, it's a game that continues to inspire new generations of Cherokee marble players.
Yeah, anywhere. Go ahead. Window. Marbles is a strategic game and a skillful game that you learn the more you play. It's more like a game of checkers or chess. You kind of just think, makes you think. My name is DELBERT FOREMAN. I've been playing marbles pretty much my whole life. I learned from my father. After church, we would always stop by at the marble field. They'd play till late in the night, about 2 or 3 probably sometimes. When the older people were playing, we had our own marble field on the side. When they played, we played too. All the other families around here as well, they know how to play. If there's a marble field pretty much close by, they know how to play. Well, they've got an idea how to play. Like each member of the team will have a marble, and they start off from the second hole, they'll throw to the first. And the object is to try to make the hole. When one team goes all the way through to the 5th hole, and it comes all the way back to the first, and each member has made the last hole. That's how you win.
Start the game behind the 2nd hole, and we roll to the 1st hole up there. When whoever gets close, it's gonna be on teams.
We're gonna lag. It's what they call lagging. You know, when you play pool and stuff, you get a partner. Looks like Bill's my partner. Whoa, whoa, oh, I might be right.
Jamming way out there. Bill and Rich are on sides, me and Jared.
We use a smaller ring, and whenever you get inside that ring, you can just pick it up and set it in the hole.
I can just reach in, you know, because I'm in there, that's it. But he's got to scoot back and roll in from back there.
Nowadays, we use an outer ring. When you get in there, you have to scoot back behind that ring to try to make the hole. Before, they didn't have that outer ring. They would just play with that smaller ring.
So if when you roll in, you're going to stay behind the hole. We call that the marble line. So all up there like that. Try to make in that circle up there. They got pretty close. And when they make the 2nd hole right here, they become a 2-hitter.
Help me out. Oh, oh, he made it.
If you're playing a 2-on-2 game and your partner's at the next hole having problems trying to make it,
oh, he's out.
You want to hit their marble as far as you can away from the hole. That way it gives them 2 or 3 times to try to make it.
Oh, you better make it.
There you go, hit him.
A lot of times too, whenever they hit hard, it's just to get into the other person's head. They'll start talking to you, just trying to mess you up.
Might as well go no mercy.
It's pretty much like heckling, just so that you would miss.
Don't hit the camera.
Get them out of their game. It's all done for fun. That's where we pretty much just hang out and just have fun with each other. Andy knows. Andy's my uncle. They used to always be the ones that were on top, always making it to Tahlequah, play the Cherokee National Holiday Marble Tournament. That's pretty good to look at. This was Bernice's journal, Andy's wife. I guess she probably didn't know she was doing it for history and thing, probably just like for, how would you say it, like minutes or something. Yeah. We got 2nd last year, 3rd before, and then we won it this year. We won it 4 times in a row at one time. Larry Crittenden, Richard Fields, Isaac Youngbird, and Dennis SIXKILLER.
Back in 1998. and we won it. We won that tournament that year. That's been a few years back.
We used to play over there at, by Lee Foreman's house. We had a lot of fun.
This is my grandpa, Lee. He's the one who used to take care of the marble field up there too. He used to make the hole, get it all set up, smooth the holes out. And now that's what we do. My son, he wanted to learn, so I started teaching him probably around 2 or 3. I guess he thought it was pretty fun. He learned to play pretty good. You got one of those. Whoever wants to play, we tell him, just come on, you'll learn.
Oh.
We'll teach you how.